wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Ya Allah, please make this work a source of good sustenance for us and our families. Ya Allah, help us to do the right thing and protect us from doing the wrong thing. Keep us safe and guide us to follow all the rules at all times and conditions. Ya Allah, give us the strength to put safety first in our work. Keep us away from all dangers so that we will return safely to our family. Amin. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzabannar. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam Muhammad wa alihi wasallam walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Right, good morning. How are you? Good. Good. Ngalar ki ngalah. If you're not feeling well, you sakit gigi, you sakit kepala. You hungry, you need you pain on your heart. So who do you inform? Kawan. Supervisor. Safety officer. And Dayan. So today's topic is regarding WHM. So what is WHM? What is WHM? Well head maintenance. Yes. Oh, not well head maintenance. It is a work hazard management. So what do you know about this work hazard management?
Apa yang terjadi? Benda tu mesti ada yang akan terjadi.
What is going to happen within the workplace, okay? Yeah. What sort of hazard did you know? The categories. Type of hazards. I give you one example. We have electrical hazards. What else? Flammable, which is fire hazards. Right? What else? Okay, what else? What else do we have? Moving parts is covered within motion hazards. These are the few hazards that you know. So like what Manoj has mentioned now regarding a moving object, it is covered within the motion hazards. So if there is a person with long hair, open the hood of an engine, car engine, what do you have on the engine if the car is running? Moving object. So there is a belting. What if with that long hair, he looks down? What can happen? Injury. Stuck. Your head will become the part of engine. Alright? So that's why you have to know there's some motion hazards. When the car is running, you open the cover and you're going to put your head there. Okay, because there will be an entanglement. Your hair will be stuck on the moving object. In our workplace here, what type of hazards do we cover? Power cable. Okay, cable. It is covered within the slip, trip and fall hazards. Right? Slip, trip and fall hazards. So, the control is what? How do we manage this slip, trip and fall hazards? Housekeeping is part of it. To remove any obstacles or objects on the walkway. So that we won't step over. So that we won't trip over. Right? So what else? How do we manage this slip, trip and fall hazards? From the power cables, there's some mentions. How do we manage?
Cable management.
Cable management. So this cable management, we lay down all the cables properly. Correct? Instead of we lay randomly like spaghetti. Correct? So it cannot be done arranged like spaghetti. It must be done like the pasta before boiling. Straight. Correct? Yeah. So every hazard there is a solution. There is a control measure. So you must be able to spot those hazards by referring to this work hazard management. Without knowing work hazard management, it's very hard for you to understand or recognize any hazards within the workplace. Correct? Okay, we will provide you a laminated WHM card so that you can refer, you can learn, and you can study by yourself. Correct? Okay, agree? Alright. So any questions? No questions? Okay. Thank you very much. So let's go for GBT for this morning.